Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with the Gaming Lizard.
Yo, what's up?
Yes. So right now we're going to see who can make a better Scratch game in 10 minutes. So make sure not to skip until the end. First, I need the sprite. Now, first, I'm definitely going to get the sprite myself. I'm not going to use any Google sprites. Okay, guys, now that I've got all the sprites that I definitely made myself, now it's time for my favorite bit, the coding. Now for the coding, I'll do when green flag clicks forever, change X by 10. Now what I hope this will do is so that the pipes will move from start to end. Let's test out. Okay, it actually works. Now I want it so that when the pipes go to the end, they go back to the start. Now what I gotta do is an if-then block, then I add the operator block, then I add the equal block. Now I need to add X position, and I need to do 283. Now when the X position is at the end, I want it to go straight back to the start right here. So then when it's at the end, I want it to go to X minus 283, Y minus 124. Let's test this out. Okay, it's going to the end. Oh, no way, we've actually got a moving pipe. This is the first step of making Flappy Bird. Now I need to do the code for the bird. So now I want to do so that when you click the screen, then the bird goes up and down, so it's almost like it's jumping. Now I've already started the code a bit, so wait 0.5 seconds after, I need to add to go to X minus 159 and Y minus 15. I hope this works. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of glitched. That does not work. Oh no. Okay, now I've kind of fixed the script, so now when you click the screen, the Flappy Bird, well, kind of jumps.
What's up, guys? We are testing out the collab game.
Yeah, so now we're testing out our games. The Gaming Lizard made a potato simulator.
It's
Yeah.
a Flappy Bird. Very interesting, you know. Yeah.
Your one's... Okay, so when you click the potato, you get clicks, and when you click the potato a few times after that, the potato turns upside down. That's good, I guess. Now let's see what happened in the shop. The shop's coming soon.
Probably never, but yeah.
Okay. I rate this game a solid 7 out of 10. What do you rate my Flappy Bird?
Like a 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10? That's quite low.
Okay, a 6 out of 10. This is a pretty good game, honestly.
Yeah. How about we let the viewers decide in the comments?
Yeah. Okay.
You viewers decide in the comments which game do you think is better, his Potato Simulator or my amazing Flappy Bird game. Sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to check out more of these videos. There's going to be a part 2 coming out soon. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.